Hi, Adam here from Crown Automotive. Those ugly old trailer taillights got you down? No worries, RT Off-Road's got you covered with the trail tail. They feature LED lights with a reverse light, turn signal brake light, and side marker lights. Installation is simple. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes. It's a direct bolt-in with only a few wires to splice in. Check out how it's done. We will start by removing the 4 taillight lens screws. Now remove the 3 mounting bolts and take off the taillight. We're going to carefully pull out the factory wiring harness and unplug it at the connector. We'll reuse this connector for the new taillight, that way if we ever want to go back, we can. Doing a test fit with our taillight, you'll notice the holes don't line up with the body. They're a little bit off, which means we're either going to have to modify our existing bracket or just remove it completely. We're going to remove it completely on our Jeep. Now that I got our area all cleaned off for where the new taillights are going, we're going to start by cutting the pigtail off of the OE lights. Now, we give you an instruction sheet in the package that gives you the wiring schematics for 74 to 06 CJ and Wrangler, so that'll help you when we're wiring these new ones up. Using a pair of wire strippers, strip the insulation off the wire. You want it about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of wire showing. You can connect the wiring harness to the wires using either butt connectors or solder. We installed an eyelet connector on the ground wire so we could easily attach it to the mounting bolt. Make sure the connections are either taped or shrink wrapped to keep out the elements. The factory bolts are a little bit smaller than the new bolts. The new bolts are 1/4 20. We're going to open them up to 9/32. Now it's time to install our taillight. You'll notice here we put a ground on so we can ground right to one of the mounting bolts. You want to make sure that you attach the ground to the mounting bolt. Now that we have our new taillights installed, you have to do something to slow the blinker down. You can either use a load equalizer, which will wire right into your factory turn signal wire, or you can use a heavy-duty flasher. We chose to use a heavy-duty flasher. Now earlier I mentioned there's license plate modifications involved. We'll get into that into our next video. Be sure to keep checking RT Off-Road for the latest products.